The monetization matrix underscores that relying on a single revenue stream leaves a business vulnerable to market shifts and competitive pressures. By weaving together advertising, subscription fees, affiliate partnerships, and licensing agreements, you create a balanced portfolio. Ads drive broad awareness and immediate cash flow. Subscriptions deliver predictable recurring income. Affiliates extend your reach through aligned partners, and licensing turns your proprietary assets into scalable royalties. Strategically selecting the right mix means aligning each model with your audience's behavior and your core competencies. For instance, a niche content platform might lean heavily on subscriptions for loyal users while sprinkling in targeted sponsorships, whereas a software provider could monetize through usage-based licensing complemented by an affiliate network of resellers. This tailored approach not only cushions against downturns in any one area, but also opens up new growth levers, helping you pivot quickly. The four core monetization models each tap into different value drivers in your ecosystem. Advertising delivers quick cash flow by selling audience attention to sponsors, but it can dilute user experience and demand scale to be lucrative. Subscriptions generate predictable, recurring revenue and foster loyalty, yet they require continuously fresh, high-value content to minimize churn. To choose the optimal mix, apply these criteria. Audience alignment. Does the model match your users' willingness to pay, tolerance for ads, or trust in recommendations? Operational fit. Do you have the content pipeline, technical infrastructure, and legal support to sustain each model? Margin and scale potential. Which channels yield the highest return on effort and can grow without linear cost increases? Brand and experience impact. How will each approach affect your reputation and user satisfaction? Risk diversification. Can you balance models so downturns in one, e.g., ad rates, are offset by gains in another, e.g., renewals? By mapping these criteria onto your AI ecosystem insights, identifying where your data, platforms, and partnerships create the most leverage, you can craft a tailored revenue portfolio. Advertising remains a foundational pillar of digital monetization, offering a spectrum of formats, from traditional display banners to seamless native ads and sponsored content woven into user experiences. Revenue is generated through cost per impression, cost per click, or cost per action models, allowing publishers and platforms to align monetization strategies with their audience's behavior and campaign objectives. However, this scalability comes with headwinds. Widespread ad blocker adoption and banner blindness mean that only a fraction of served ads truly engage users, forcing businesses to chase ever higher traffic volumes to meet revenue targets. To overcome these hurdles, it's crucial to focus on relevance and performance optimization. Contextual targeting and programmatic platforms can deliver ads that resonate with individual interests, while techniques like frequency capping and viewability tracking ensure you're not wasting impressions on disengaged visitors. Subscriptions create a dependable revenue foundation by granting users ongoing access to exclusive content or services in exchange for regular payments. Popular approaches include the freemium model, where basic features are free but advanced capabilities require a paid upgrade, and tiered pricing that caters to different customer segments, from casual users to enterprise clients. Effective churn management is critical to sustaining growth. Regularly refreshing your offerings with new features, content, or enhancements keeps subscribers engaged and reduces cancellations. Proactive outreach, such as personalized renewal reminders or special retention offers, demonstrates commitment to customer success and can win back wavering users. Common applications span software as a service, SaaS, where businesses pay for cloud-based tools, streaming platforms that deliver on-demand media libraries, and membership sites offering specialized education, networking, or industry insights. Affiliate marketing thrives on cultivating partnerships with trusted brands whose offerings align with your audience's interests. Start by vetting potential affiliates for reputation, product quality, and audience fit. Clearly define your commission structure, whether cost per acquisition, revenue share, or hybrid, to ensure mutual incentives. As you scale, broaden your network by recruiting affiliates across complementary niches and continuously optimize your campaigns through A/B testing of creatives, landing pages, and call to action placements. Licensing your intellectual property, be it software, content libraries, or proprietary data models, offers another high leverage path to diversification. Protect your assets with airtight agreements that specify territory, duration, and revenue models, whether through ongoing royalties or one-time fees. Factor in support and update obligations, and consider tiered licensing, e.g., basic versus enterprise, to capture a wider market spectrum. From my perspective, licensing demands a strategic balance. Maximize reach without diluting your brand's value. Selecting the ideal monetization mix starts with defining and weighting key criteria: audience size, the total reach you can tap; engagement levels, how actively your users interact; regulatory constraints, industry-specific compliance requirements; and content type, the nature and depth of what you offer next. Map each monetization model to your criteria. Advertising excels when you have broad appeal and can sustain high traffic without running afoul of ad-related regulations. Subscriptions reward platforms that consistently deliver fresh, premium content or services, making them ideal for highly engaged communities. To bring it all together, build a simple scoring matrix. List your criteria in rows and the 4 models in columns. Assign scores, e.g., 1-5, based on how well each model aligns with each criterion, and calculate weighted totals reflecting your strategic priorities. Here's a preliminary monetization plan tailored to your niche in embedded systems education. 1. Advertising and sponsorships. Leverage your blog and YouTube channels by integrating display ads, sponsored product reviews, e.g., development boards, sensors, and occasional webinar sponsorships. 2. Subscription memberships. Offer a tiered embedded pro membership. Basic, monthly, access to all video tutorials and Q&A forums. Premium, annual, live group coaching, exclusive deep dive workshops, downloadable project kits. 3. Affiliate partnerships. Partner with hardware vendors, Arduino, ESP32 suppliers, and software tool providers. Embed affiliate links in project guides and resource lists. 4. Licensing and corporate training package. Your course materials into white-labeled modules and license them to universities or vocational schools. Create custom company-branded training programs for engineering teams. 5. Trade-offs and next steps. User experience versus revenue. Too many ads or aggressive upsells can erode trust, so strike a balance. Prioritize subscriptions and licensing for core revenue, with ads and affiliates as complementary streams. Complexity versus scalability. Subscriptions and licensing offer stability, but require ongoing maintenance. Affiliate and ads scale more easily, but yield lower per unit returns.